So to change graphic processor for any game on Dell G3, well, it's not specific to Dell. If your laptop has built-in Nvidia chipset, then this video is for you too. Just head over to the Start, tab the Nvidia control panel and open it. Well, you can also open it from the system tray, and just right click here and click on Nvidia control panel. Then go to manage 3D settings and the program settings. Inside the program settings, there are two steps you need to follow. So click on add. If you can't find your program here, just browse it. You have to browse for the executable file, no need to add it again because I have it there already. So when you have added it, go to the settings tab and choose the preferred graphic options. It can be the high performance NVIDIA processor integrated graphics, or you can choose global setting. Then your OS will be able to switch between these two graphic processors according to your power plan. Well, you can also add other programs right from there. It's up to you. After that, you will be able to play the games on high settings. But one more thing, especially for Dell users, you need to plug in your power source before playing the game, because I read it somewhere on the forum and I believe it's necessary for good performance. And don't forget to click apply after you have changed the graphics setting.